I've found the answer to DeWalt batteries. Watch these clips and I'll prove it. Ready? Because this is how serious I am. Bam! Full DeWalt life, baby! Let's go!
Meet the 20-volt roller boots from DeWalt. Pop them on, tap the heel, and let the brushless motors take you. They crank up to 55 miles an hour, powered by the same batteries that run your tools, so you're flying in minutes. Roll to the store, lock in, charge while you
Meet the DeWalt 20-volt high-heel job site boot. 10 inches of steel shank support with a lithium battery heel so you can reach anything, anywhere. Built tough.
DeWalt 20V 10-inch high heels for the job site, so you can reach anything. High heels. Look like DeWalt colors, so you can reach any.
Introducing the DeWalt 20-volt lipstick tool. Precision Drive delivers steady, smooth color with 4 speed settings for total control. Glide on a flawless finish every time.
Meet the DeWalt 20-volt heated thong. Built for cold days, powered by the same batteries that run your tools. Carbon fiber elements deliver even heat where you need it, with 3 levels of warmth and up to 6.
When you want to beat everybody to that secret honey hole, you bring the only boat fueled by a rack of DeWalt 20-volt batteries. 95 miles an hour of pure electric power. Get there first, then kick back and fish.
Click in a 20-volt DeWalt battery, power up the seat, and winter campouts feel like autumn afternoons. 3 heat settings right at your fingertips. Same battery that runs your tools, now it keeps you warm. When it's a little cold.
When the snow gets deep, you don't slow down, you strap in. Introducing DeWalt 20-volt sled shoes. Powered by our 20-volt max batteries, they float over powder, climb the hills, and carve like a dream.
Meet the new DeWalt 20-volt automatic wall painter. Fill the built-in reservoir, press go, and it climbs, laying down a flawless coat while you put your feet up. Powered by a long-lasting cold job site? Not anymore. The DeWalt heated portable restroom brings the heat. Literally. Adjustable thermostat powered by the same 20-volt max batteries you use all day. 8 hours of comfort, right where you need it.
Introducing the first ever battery-powered heated Crocs. Snap in a 20-volt DeWalt pack and cozy warmth pours through fleece-lined vents. Rugged outsoles bite into the snow and the heat keeps flowing for
the world's first 20-volt heated plow. It melts the snow before you even push it, so you push less. Powered by the same 20-volt max system you already trust, it saves your truck and your back.
Introducing the DeWalt 20-volt high heels. 8 inches of lift powered by the same battery that runs your tools. Snap it on, stand tall, and finally reach that beam without dragging a ladder. Built tough, built funny, and built for the crew that...
Introducing the DeWalt nail polish installer.
1 pass and my nails are perfect. I don't even have to leave the house.
Salon quality, done in minutes for a fraction of the cost.
Get the kit with 5 colors for just $59.
Steel-toed strength. Stiletto confidence. Built for all-day comfort. Protection meets poise. And when the job's demanding, these don't back down. DeWalt Stiletto. Steel toe.
New, the 20-volt pacifier. Cranky coworker? We gotcha. Soothes in seconds with 20 volts of calming power. Tempers tamed. The DeWalt 20-volt pacifier.
The 20-volt cordless snowblower chews through the driveway until it misses a stubborn patch. No problem. Flip to the built-in flamethrower and finish the job with fire. Clear it or melt it. Your call.
Snowmobile tracks powered by a 20-volt DeWalt pack. Clip them on your bike and suddenly you can go anywhere. Snow, mud, rocks, water, these tracks just keep pulling. Quiet, fast, and a total...
When the cold moves in, take the heat with you. The DeWalt 20-volt pop-up heated canopy sets up in minutes and keeps the chill out with battery-powered radiant heaters and LED lighting. Grab a seat, pour...
Need a boost on the job site? Meet the first ever 8-inch 20-volt high heels from DeWalt. Rugged outsoles, detachable battery power packs, and yes, those packs run your tools. Built into...
Meet the new DeWalt Power Croc. Powered by 20-volt max batteries, they warm you up when it's freezing and cool you down when it's scorching. Snap in the same battery you use on your tools and take comfort.
When you're wiped out but the driveway's buried, 20 volts of motivation. Just squeeze, steer, and let it toss. Bed stays warm, driveway gets clear, morning saved.